Hey, Solar Ken back with another video on the best roofs for solar in 2022. If you haven't done so already, please go like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I make content for homeowners who are interested in going solar and educating them on the process before they actually make the decision to give it a try. My job is super simple. If I can help you out, I will. I'll point you in the right direction. If you would love to book a call with me, do so by going to solarken.energyking.com. I would love to see you over there, book a call, see if we can actually jump on a call together to see if it actually works. If it does, it does. But let's get right into this video on the best roofs for solar in 2022. So the first question I normally get asked when I have a customer in front of me is, how do I know if my roof is perfect for solar? Well, the best way that you can find out, and the easiest way that you can find out, is to go on Google and look up your roof. If your roof is on the bottom of your screen or faces the bottom of your screen, that is true south. In the northern hemisphere, true south is going to be directly your bottom screen when you decide to look on Google Maps. As long as your compass is facing true north, which is going to be above, or the arrow should be pointing directly up. So whenever you're looking on Google, make sure that your roof is facing directly down and you have one of the perfect surfaces for solar. The next question that I get asked is, what material is my roof made out of, and is it perfect for solar? So let's just say you have a metal roof. Metal roofs are the most compatible for solar because you don't even have to drill into a metal roof to actually get a metal roof installed. You don't have to actually drill into the roof. They put a little foam down, they put the beam that they're gonna actually, or the railing that they're actually gonna lay the solar panel on top of. Once they lay it down and get it all symmetrical and make sure everything is straightened out, they actually put the solar panels in, they screw them in, and pretty much just up there, and it's gonna be stuck to your roof. As long as your metal roof is of suffice and it's a brand new roof, it should be a-okay. The next best roof is going to be an asphalt roof. It's super easy to install on an asphalt roof. There's really no issues when it comes down to lifting up a asphalt shingle or not. And it's going to be able to slide that bracket in there, bolt it down to your beams to your home, make sure that it's tightened up and fastened pretty easily. And then once they screw that down, they put some epoxy in there, make sure it seals up like steel, so you're not actually going to have any leaks or anything like that. Then they're going to basically put the bracket on top, screw those panels in, and make sure those panels are up there, sturdy, secure, and hurricane resistant. So if you ever live in an area like Houston or Florida or places like the East Coast where they actually do get hurricanes often, these panels are resistant to those because of the way they've been installed, and it's secure to your home. The beam that makes it the most sturdiest thing to secure your roof on. You have the clay tiles that can also be installed on. They actually just pull the clay tile up, do the same thing that they would do to an asphalt roof, is secure it to the beam, make sure that it's already secured. As long as it's done properly, they're gonna seal it all up. Everything's gonna be perfect for that, and then they're gonna just put that metal, the railing, put this panel on there after laying the tile back on that and making sure that it's all secure and fastened up. So the roof that you don't want to install solar on is gonna only be your slate or your clay tile, like the very brittle tiles that you get. They are super expensive. You do not want to install solar on those. Wood shingles as well, we don't really install on those because those all are prone to leakage, and they're also prone to be damaged. Anytime that you install on a surface that is that weak or that expensive, usually there's an opportunity where that roof is going to have some issues later on down the road, only because these roofs weren't meant to be tampered with or have anything installed over top of them. So you're not going to want to install on clay tiles, slate, or wood shingles. It's just not going to work out well for your roof. Another question that I get when I talk to these homeowners is, do I have enough space on my roof to have solar installed? And the average space on a roof, on any given plane on top of an average roof of, let's say, 2,000 square foot home, is about 400 to 600 square feet on any given surface on that roof. Now with that being said, each panel is about 18 square feet, so you can fit about 33 panels on a space that doesn't have any setback on any given roof on that type of surface. But in most cases, you have at least 2 to 3 feet setbacks on any given edge or in any given roof line that you have to abide by when it comes down to city code. So with that being said, you're going to want to put no more than 25 to 27 panels on any given roof surface, and it could be depending on how many rows you have, how many panels, how big the panels are. It can be many different factors that can come into play when you're installing solar, but you definitely want to make sure that you're following the codes, because it won't get approved if you are above the setbacks. And one of the last questions that I normally get when I'm ever talking to a homeowner is which pitch of a roof works best for solar. Now, I've seen some super steep pitches, and I've seen some homes that are flat roof, all in between. And usually solar does not work for your steep cathedral type of homes where this pitch is pretty much let's say a 11-12 pitch, which is a very steep pitch. It's almost vertical. Those homes do not work well with solar because solar doesn't produce well at that angle. The best angles that you want to catch when it comes down to solar is going to be a 30 to 40 degree angle on top of your home, and that's going to be anywhere between a 412 to about a 6 to 712 pitch. That's going to be a little bit steeper, but again, the perfect roofs for solar is going to be anywhere between 412 to about a 712 pitch. And then you're going to have a flat roof that can also be installed solar. But what's going to happen with a flat roof, there's going to most likely be a balloted system where they're not actually going to drill into the roof. They're actually going to put 2 beams and then weight it down with sandbags or cinder blocks to keep those systems from moving around. And in a traditional windstorm, as long as it is done that way, then everything's going to be, like I said, on the up and up. But that's going to be your perfect opportunity for homes that have roofs that still want to go solar. It's going to be a balloted system for any flat roof surface. If you have any of these factors on your home that you may have a perfect surface for solar, and I'm willing to help you. I'll be more than happy to design a system. If you want to reach out to me to solarkin@energyking.com, I'll be more than happy to take a call with you guys, show you if it actually works, show you what I have to offer when it comes down to pricing and financing options, if it actually works for you guys. My name is Solar Ken. Again, go to all my social media links on Solar Ken, the Energy King. I'm here to help all the homeowners who are actually looking into going solar, to give them more of a personal feedback of if it actually works for your home. Again, if you're interested in going solar, get at me on my social medias. I'm Solar Ken, and I'm out.